Another one is what I say. It's Thursday. Hello. Thursday. Thursday. Only for another 56 minutes, then it'll be Friday. So we get to share the beginning of Friday together. Woo! I'm really sorry. Again, the lighting's gonna change. I've been messing with lighting for the past 3 streams. I'm pretty confident with this one. I got some different bulbs. Honestly, I wasn't really liking the warm light bulbs, the redder ones. Like yesterday's stream, it just looks so red, like I was sunburned or something. And yeah, so I'm going straight daylight. You know, a cooler white daylight light. And I get the backlight too. It's, you know, whatever, looks better than nothing, but I've been measuring and stuff and figuring out how I'm going to get the green screen set up behind me. I have an idea. I'm just trying not to like buy a whole lot because yeah, I have a hard time investing a lot of money into projects like this, you know, other than time. You know, I don't mind investing a lot of time and effort, but yeah, I've invested in a lot of my, you know, side hustles and you know, I'm not ready to take the full plunge, you know, buy the brand new camera, buy some real light rigs. Actually, I got a better setup because I'm using a couple of my old mic stands, and I got some clip lights that just kind of hook onto the end, and I also changed the position of my mic. You're gonna see all this. At least you're gonna see the difference. I'm just preparing you because, yeah, giving you a backstory. When the big reveal happens, so different. Anyways, yeah. So like I said, trying to shoot things I have, or very minimal buys like light bulbs, and yeah. I mean, I was already at the hardware store. I gotta fix my pool filter pipe system. The PVC exploded. That connects the pool drains, the skimmer lines to the filter and the motor. It's like a tri-channel connection with a bunch of levers. Basically, you know, I've never lived in a state or owned a pool in a state where it gets below freezing, you know, at night, regularly during winter, and where you have to like really winterize your pools. And when I moved in, the pool was winterized already because they hadn't been living here for a bit, and I had to unwinterize it. But I don't know. I have to buy a new heater, and basically it just I just shut it off, and I didn't feel like draining it or closing off all the skimmer lines and blowing the water out of the lines. Like, I don't know. I kind of just kept it running for a while, and that seemed to do all right. But yeah, I guess yeah, some pressure built up and definitely blew a hole in the PVC. So I'll be rebuilding that section myself. So yeah, that's why I was at the hardware store grabbing some pipes and some primer and some cement and stuff to make the new connections. By the way, my dad was a pool contractor when he wasn't being a rock star. So I grew up in that industry. So I kind of know what I'm doing. Um, Also, it's really hard to find labor around here. Like services, for some reason, like plumbing, pool. I guess everybody's messing with their pool at the same time. They're like, all right, we'll see you in 3 months. It's like, forget it. Just trying to be lazy here, you know? But like most things, I'll just figure it out and I'll do it. I'll be better for it. All right. Let's go ahead and jump in and see me. Ooh, ah. Look at all the weird shadows behind me. I know. I could do something about that. I mean, it's way worse when I have the backlight off. But, yeah. Not a huge problem. And I think I want to move my console down here. Let's do that. Because now I have this little followers following goal here. I had it in the top right before, but kind of a random spot, I guess. So still got to build it how I want, all the little widgets, but I don't really have a lot to show off. So sorry again for the voice. I told you I'd have like another day or two. Oh, something got worse this morning. I'm just gonna try to, drink some water and try not to annoy everybody listening. Which, let's check. How are the bots today? Minimal. More bots will come later. So that's good. Keep it up. So, like I said, Thursday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, new day. We're finishing Brazier, the orange shirt. So we will definitely do that, which should be awesome. All right. So how, what, why, what are we doing? Let me introduce myself for 2 seconds. Trying to like cut this intro down as much as possible because I don't know. No one's here when I do it. I'm doing it really just for like the people watching the past broadcasts. In case it's like their first one. You're right, I lied. Somebody's listening. Mr. Lava's here. Thank you, sir. Nice to see you. I was just talking to the bots until you arrived. Yeah, So, Scott V. Adrian. That's me, that's my name, that's my book. That's my book. Sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. Part of a series, Harmonian Chronicles. It's going to be a 4-book series. Book 2 is on pre-order. You can find both on Amazon. Audiobooks available on Audible. I just got a random comment today on Facebook that somebody said it wasn't available in the USA. But it's very much available in the USA. In fact, let's just jump on into Audible and search. There he is. I don't see anything about USA. Orbem is available on audiobook. Should pre-record an intro nicely edited trailer to play while you do so. You're right. That might be smart. Because right now I just have the like starting soon screen, and I could definitely like just play an intro on a loop, right? That'd be smart. Yeah, I'll do that sometime. And then yeah, this is the audiobook. It's totally available. And something really cool is I got a rando 5-star review on Audible that I had never seen before, because Audible doesn't talk to me. All my, sales and stuff goes through ACX, which is the distributor for audiobooks, or, Amazon. So I didn't get any notifications, or, I didn't know anything about this. But yeah, back in March, a few weeks ago, somebody left this awesome review. And this warning is great, because that's something I try to talk about it, like that it's a humorous book, that's funny, but the cover is pretty serious looking. The plot and the tech is really intense, and so it could be overlooked that there's just a ton of fucking snarky humor and random moments, and yeah, some good gags in there. And book 2's no different. It's probably funnier, in my opinion. I sure do make myself laugh. Oh, I'm so sad. I had a short planned with this really good segment of when I was talking about, like, it's okay to make yourself laugh. It's okay to make yourself mad, make yourself embarrassed. It's like okay to like make yourself feel that way. And because I was just talking about, like, I make myself laugh all the time, reading my own book. I'm just like, it's so funny, so stupid. But it was in like an older stream where I did not have my settings or internet correct, and it's just, I didn't want to put out more grainy videos. They're getting better, but I don't know why, they're still kind of shit. Like, I'm comparing them compared to some other shorts I see, they're not that great. Though I have to imagine I should probably be like recording these separately, these stream sessions maybe. I don't know. I feel like some people are using Twitch clips though, and when you have like thousands of people watching, I'm sure it's a lot easier for them to like clip your good moments and stuff. And maybe the Twitch clips are like pretty high quality because they're short. Alright, let's get back to the game. And yeah, so that's the background. What we're working on is Orbem Explorer, video game based off of the book series, and it's in WordPress. That's the framework. This is the WordPress admin bar, so you know it's true. And yeah, it's all vanilla JavaScript and styling. And shitty merch images as assets, or old pixel art that I created 4 years ago. So yeah, we're gonna do magic. We're gonna work on the brazier today. So, where we left off last time. Alright, this is why I didn't like having the damn console like this. Let's give myself a little more breathing room. In fact, I'm gonna pull this whole window down on my actual screen. And then pull this back up so you guys get to see a little bit of the dev tools and I get to get more room. Alright, cool. I like this. We good. Okay, where we left off, I completely rebuilt the weapon system. And I fixed these bugs yesterday, which allows me to punch. So punching works now. And the shield, when you turn Tarka on, the shield is now in the middle again. But the actual HTML is on the outside of the character now, which is cool. So that I can use it to shoot. And I got these buttons working again. It's going back and forth. And yeah, we should be good. So let's get this red dot shooting out. Like just far as it could go. That's the plan. And when it does that, I'm gonna copy what I do with the enemy right here. You see how his projectile shoots and he gets a new one. Shoots, he gets a new one. So that's actually the same element, it's just being cloned and then appended back into him. So I basically clone it, shoot it, use the clone as the new one. Simple JavaScript stuff. So I want to do the same thing with the weapon. And it should work fine. I should be able to just clone it. As long as it's in the same place, I should be able to still switch between magic and punching and stuff. So let's verify that. So if we're in the right place, yeah, no, yes. I don't think we're in the wrong place. What do we got? Yeah, this is just for hurting the enemy. Okay, yeah, so that's all fixed. That was all bug day. So let's get into shooting. Brazier. Okay, so we got our spells. Everything's good. When you select it, does it. Okay, so we need to get to the clicker point, which would be this. So what's happening here? This is what I tried to develop blind, and it's basically not working. So let's see why. You see, I moved my mic onto the light stand so that I can move my arms around a little better. I think the position's okay. Okay, and is it fire I want to look for? I think I wanted to look for fire. Yeah, fire. It's gonna be different offensive spells eventually. Though, if I do like elemental spells like fire, ice, wind, then they're probably all going to be projectiles. Maybe not. Maybe I'll make wind like a shield that you can run into people and hurt them if they try to touch you. In ice, I could do. It shoots out a big ice spear and you can run into people. I don't know. Something like that. So yeah, we'll just let fire be the projectile. Okay, here we go. So we got my character's position. Great. You know what? I don't even need to do that anymore. I can use the weapons position since it's separate now. Player direction. I'm basically just removing map and then dir. Okay, that gets me the direction. But yeah, pretty much my character. Oh. What? That's not right. Maybe that's why it's not working, because I'm still using character and not weapon. Womp. In fact, I can use weapon too. Right. And then this is basically weapon left. Weapon top. Let's change all of you. Boop, 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 boop. Weapon. Oh, I guess I could have touched you too. Should have touched you. Okay. Yeah, we'll do the lift. Debating on streaming some of the work I'm doing for my semester project soon. Don't know if I should wait till I have more progress in it, or if I should just let everyone watch me bang my head on the keyboard trying to get it to work. Yeah, I'm under like two mindsets when it comes to like streaming and what I'm doing. Because like half of me feels like people like to see other people like fail over and over and then succeed, right? Because it's like, okay, I can relate. Oh yeah, it's like, fuck it, you know, it feels good to see somebody else fail and then see them prevail. But then the other part of me is like, people fucking hate sitting around fucking up their own code. Like, would they want to see me do it? So, I mean, I don't really have a choice because that's all I do is when I'm streaming is fuck up until I fix it. But like, if I had a choice to do something more entertaining, like, I don't know. Sometimes I think I should work on like editing things, graphic design things, maybe more visual. Like maybe build the assets for the video game. That might be more, I don't know, be more entertaining. It's hard though, because I mean, you have like enough followers to get some feedback probably. Yeah, see that, because that's also something I've thought about doing, because when I was recording this last song, I was like, man, maybe I should stream me recording the parts and then editing and doing the mixing and stuff. Maybe that'd be cool for people. Yeah, so I might try that out if you think that's interesting, and maybe other people would, because I kind of just talk about it and then it's playing in the background, but it's like, could be lying because it doesn't really sound like me. You know, and anybody could, you know, hire a screamer or just pick other people's songs or whatever the fuck. So I mean, I don't know why you'd make such an elaborate con, but yeah, so I'm thinking about doing that. And if I don't stream the recording process, at least maybe the editing process. But I'm also not like a really experienced engineer, you know, when it comes to music producing. So I mean, not that I'm, super advanced in what I'm doing here, but like I don't have the authority, basically. I played with some production in Ableton and got halfway decent, but school got busy and I haven't gotten to touch in a few months. I'm guessing Ableton is like a garage band, like a recording program. I've never actually heard of that. Is it a typo? Yeah, because I just use GarageBand. I don't know. Comes with a computer. It works. I don't need to use a lot of filters and stuff. For the video game, I developed the little synth loop and drum things using their own drum machines and stuff. So that was fun, but I know you can do a hell of a lot more with other programs. Okay, so this is good. This is good. Yes, that actually makes sense now. And then shoot projectile. Let's change you as well. I'll have to look that up. But it's good. I also don't use After Effects when I'm doing like video editing. I know there's way better, more advanced programs you could use than Premiere Pro. Wait, so yeah, I don't want a character anymore. Right? Shoot projectile. Wait, what am I doing? No typo. Used a lot with EDM. Oh, okay, okay. It's production. A lot like GarageBand, except a lot more... Okay, more stuff. So it's just like a more... Yeah, advanced. A lot more expensive. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's like Pro Tools, right? Like that's what I always heard when I was, doing recording. Like everybody, all the dudes that had, were serious about it were using Pro Tools, and it's it's kind of expensive, and it seemed like it was just like a better, more features, the GarageBand, I guess. But yeah. I'm assuming it's similar. So what is shoot projectile doing? It's cloning. So I'm cloning the weapon, yes. And this is the weapon's position. And then the enemy is supposed to be the person that you're translating away from. So this is where I'm kind of screwed up. I don't think I want to do this anymore. I don't think I want to use translate. Yeah, see, I can't use this. This doesn't work for what I want. So yeah, unfortunately I can't, like, I want to use this whole cloning process, cloning and removing and whatnot, when you run into things, but I don't want to use the movement. So I wonder if I should just put a damn param in here. Like if true equals spell or false equals spell. If true does not equal spell, then move it like this. Otherwise, I want to use my own movement logic. Or maybe I'll put the movement logic in here. I'll do spell else move spell. Make a new function, right? And what I'll want is the projectile, which is weapon. And then I want this, the top and left position. speed I don't need, because I want to use the same variable based off of distance. I think that's it. So it's gonna move enemy. I need to steal. I really need to just make this its own util, because I don't want to copy and paste this another time. So let's steal this and say trying to think of a good word here. Regulate transition speed. Sure. Let's put that here. I don't really know what I'll need yet. Function. Regulate. Transition. Speed. Another function goes here, so I'm gonna need the character, so map character. Gonna need the endpoint, which will be called the enemy, and then I'll need the thing I'm moving. Cool, so basically I need 3 elements to make this run. Character. New enemy. Projectile. Okay. Basically, you know, set the transition speed dynamically. And it's the same thing here. Oops. Set the transition dynamically. And I know I already copy and pasted this logic somewhere else. So let's see if I can actually find that. Regulate transition speed. Oh. I thought I did copy and paste it somewhere else already. Guess not. That's weird. Okay, so we'll need that for the new move spell function. Call this move spell. I will not need speed, and I will not need new enemy. Okay. Left top difference. Sure. And the difference is literally gonna be, where is it? It's just going to be the left position. The difference is going to be the left position plus 5,000 minus nothing. Just that. I'm just gonna bust it out. 5,000 pixels left, I guess. Yeah, I do need that. And then otherwise it's gonna be negative minus 5,000. Let's go now. I think blind coding math is the most fun. Because it all makes sense in your head until you look at it on the front end. And then you see how counting is hard. Okay, 5,000, 5,000. Dupe. Dedupe. Stop. Dedupe. What you got? Looks fine. Looks fine. Looks fine. And then regulate transition speed. I'll need the projectile. I'll need the distance. Shoot. I'm just providing the enemy. I actually need position at center. Okay. Shit. Position at center. I kind of need to just set the position. Which is supposed to be just 5,000 difference. So maybe what I'll do is this. Set a new enemy. It'll be B position. B position X and B position Y. Oops. B position Y. So we'll do B position X. Oops. Position X. B position Y. Yes, I know you're wrong. In fact, sometimes it's easier just to start fresh. Because it sets it for you. Womp. Womp. Pro tip. Okay. That's good. Yes. Yes. And then we'll change this for this. Change both, but yeah, so move enemy now. So I'll need B position X, B position Y. Scrolling on TikTok, and I shit you not, somebody is on TikTok. I played live playing Wizard 101. Shut up, dude. It's because you looked it up or something. TikTok's watching. No way. Dude, I literally have not seen. The fact that you even knew what it was blows my mind. I have not seen anything Wizard 101 related. Like I said, it's like 10 years plus. Let's see this. I don't believe you. Uh-oh. My wife brought a dog over. Let's see if we can give him some screen time. Oh yeah. This is Stout. This is the smallest of the four. He is saying goodnight. This is not a rat. This is a Maltese Chihuahua mix. He's 14, gonna be 15 this year in June. And he likes the microphone. Hello. ASMR kissing. Gross. Okay, good night. Go to your mom. Just kidding. Yeah. Yeah, he has a hard time in the cold. But we got little sweaters for him. Oh my god, you weren't kidding, dude. Fucking Merle Ambrose. Come on. Tried to clip it, but you have clipping disabled on the channel. How the hell do I... What? I do not. I definitely feel like I've seen that setting somewhere. Clipping disabled. How is that possible?
Okay, so forget.
Oh, I hate you. Stop forcing me to do things. I hate you. Stop forcing me to do things. Mute myself, quick. Jesus. Wait, how do you... Where are my stream settings? Creator dashboard. Where's the settings? Stream. Enable clips. What the hell? When enabled, followers must follow you. Huh. Clip settings. Subscriber only? Oh. It's subscribers is like a paid thing, right? So if I turn this off, then you'll be able to clip. Got it. Ah, okay, yeah, got it. Oh shit, they shouldn't have that on automatically then. That sucks. If you're not affiliate, right? They should like... Oh, there's so much. Wizard 101. Okay, it works now? Okay, cool. Ah, it's kind of shitty. Yeah, this is blowing my mind, man. Merle Ambrose. The fucking... And with the fucking... owl. Like the whole intro where you have to go through a little bit tutorial with the fake Merlin. That's crazy. Just like seeing the UI and like the people walking around and stuff like that, and the same font and whatnot. It's like giving me a little bit of the feeling like I need to jump in and fucking level up, you know? Brains are weird. Yeah, it's the fucking itch, man. Like, gotta fucking... Just one more spell. $10. Just get $10. I won't do the monthly, you know? I'll just pay for the next area. Give me some coins. So funny. I mean, if it's been around this long... Oh wait, what the fuck? It's just going down. Then they must be making enough money to keep it running. I lost track of what I was doing. So much distraction. Oh, that's right. B position. I like that game. I think it's fun. It's very strategy based, you know? A bit grindy sometimes. And man, it really... Wizard 101 really... You benefit from being in a group. I mean, you find a group of like... grinders, you know, that are just trying to find that loot and get that XP and just get the next level. And you tag on, even if you're a super low level, shit, you can blow up real quick. And the PvP's fun. I mean, once you get to like the highest level, all you can do is just go in PvP and just try to pwn people. And they set you up with people that are the same strength and stuff, so. But then you all end up, like, having the same damn spells. I tried to have my own set of spells that not everybody was using, but I mean, there's obviously the most powerful fire spell, you know, at the time, and once you upgrade everything, you kind of end up having similar spells as everybody else. And it's like, who gets the right card first, you know? Okay. Balance Wizard. Shit, God, I don't even remember. No, I was definitely fire. Balance. Yeah, what were they? It was like Temple Wizard 101 class. Pyromancy, Third Manager, Mercy Sorcerer. Oh, that's what these mean. Yeah, it's definitely fire. I was always fire. But I like to have, you know, life spells on deck. And I don't think I fucked with death too much. Myth. Storm. I'm trying to remember. I think I had Storm. I think there was a really strong Storm spell. Fire is a Storm. Oh, Beyonce's a Storm? Yeah, of course. Motherfuckers, dude. There's that one Storm spell that you could, like, compound or whatever and just destroy people. And I remember the people that would play that way. You know, because I'd be busting up a volcano and destroying people, but, like, there's that one Storm move that was the strongest spell when fully upgraded and, you know, done right. I hated him. Because I knew if, like, this dude had fucking a lightning bolt on him, that I was going to be fighting that spell. That's funny. Diash funny. Yeah, I forgot about, like, the whole school thing. Like, you have to go to, like, the fire school to learn fire spells. And go to the fire world. You gotta fight a dragon, and everyone's a dragon, you know? That's so funny. Death was good. Definitely fun to play. Okay, let's see. So this should technically... Let's just make sure I'm passing... So yeah, this is good for move enemy, but now I need to make sure that move spell does what it needs to do. So my X and Y position are going to be the same position as map character. Wait. Yeah. Same position as map character. Get position. But plus. Shit, I'm gonna have to do both of these. Damn it. A position X. A position Y. Let's get rid of you. So I'll just pass it to this and get this little diff. Let's go up here. Do the same thing. Yep. A position X. A position Y. Cool. So that should work. And then down here, we'll do the same thing with a position. A position. Oops. A position. Why? Let's actually fix that. Okay. And then now it's position X and are those just numbers? Oh, here we go. Wait, what am I doing all this for? I guess this is going to be left difference and top difference. I think that's right. And then I just see, I don't want to translate it. I want to actually set the position of the projectile. So projectile.style.left equals left difference px. Oops. And then projectile.style.right equals. Wait, not right, you fucking idiot. Top equals top difference. You fucking idiot. Yep. And then it's pix. That's not pixel. Okay. Okay. I think we're good. It's a lot of stuff I just did. That's a lot of stuff that might not work. Oh, I spelled spell wrong. How do you spell spell wrong? I rated Grumblepug yesterday with, I think it was just me. He was working on some particle stuff in his snazzy game engine. I'm like spoiled. Yeah, he's cool. Yeah, he's cool, and he likes to interact with the chat, which is great. I think he had like 7 people on, and yeah, basically where I'm gonna be in a couple years. Who knows? Who knows how long it takes to get enough. You gotta imagine, Tuesday he ended up getting raid like 6 more times. Oh, really? I got up to around 100 viewers. Wow. Dude. That's great. Yeah, I really actually don't know what would happen if someone was just like, oh, fuck it, I'm gonna hit this guy up. And just like drops 50 people in, you know? Be cool, I guess. I just haven't. I have 0 experience dealing with that many people. Just the fact that one time I had 3 people in chat and they had like a really brief conversation with each other, I was like, whoa. You know? Like the fact that they were, entertaining themselves within the chat is pretty crazy. Paid ad. What? What about paid ad? Are you watching an ad right now? Oh. Contact is important. I don't know, you're talking about. I have no clue what I would do. Oh. Right. If you get a certain amount of people, does it automatically start playing ads in your stream? Like, you don't have to be an affiliate for that? I mean, I know you can't get paid, but will they just start running ads if you have enough viewers? That's kind of shady. You know? No, I was making a joke. Okay. Plug your... Oh, got it, got it. Utilize it like a paid ad. Yeah, that's a free ad, my friend. I'd appreciate that shit. Considering I do paid ads, which, you know, they're great. Get a lot of engagement. I mean, I'm talking with people on Facebook and comments and stuff like that all the time that are you know, reacting to the ads and stuff, which is really cool. And I think I have like 25 followers now on the page, just from people, you know, buying the book from the ads and stuff. So it's been really, really cool. But like, fucking costs money, man. I'm paying for those people. You know, if I just had like 50 people drop in here, whatever. If I had like 5,000 people drop in here, imagine like Pirate Software or somebody just raided your ass with 80,000 people. You know what I mean? It would just be a fucking fiasco. The bongos everywhere, and be like, well, that's all the viewers. I would immediately switch over and start showing the book. Everybody quick, you must pick up this book now. And make sure you leave a 5-star review. Oh, by the way, I don't know if you were keeping track of this or not, but on the... And by keeping track, I mean if I mentioned this in a previous stream you're on. But, Goodreads, man. Got back to 4. That's crazy. Because Goodreads is so toxic for authors. But I guess some of the people, you know, have started transferring over to Goodreads and leaving a couple extra reviews, and it got me back from the 3s, which is really cool. So it looks like I just dropped to 4.2. I mean 4.1. I was at 4.2. Somebody must have left another shitty rating or something. Huh. Maybe it's a 3. Maybe a 3-star rating. I like how Goodreads actually gives you like a count of the amount of ratings per type. Oh, here we go. I wouldn't even be able to keep doing whatever I was doing. Yeah, I know, you'd be stuck here trying to talk to everyone. I know, right? You should probably like trying to lurk on the comments and stuff and trying to respond. Fiance got a Kindle with Kindle Unlimited. Oh, here we go. Take a look once I get some free time. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, I mean, if she wants to give it a shot, I know she probably is already reading books, but it's on Kindle Unlimited. Yeah, it wasn't a new review. The last one was this Casey person. So yeah, it must have just been like a 3-star rating. Oh, here we go. It does actually say. Shit. It's 4 ratings. So 4. And then we have... Oh no. 19. I thought it was like 5 only. Okay, so we got 19. 5-star. 7 4-star. Could have been a 4-star rating, actually. Though 4 seems higher than I remember, so probably that. Alright, let's try it out. So we got this. This is correct. So that should still work. And now move spell. We got this. Projectile position. No. See, none of this is right. None of this will make sense. I don't know why I'm doing it like this. We'll just do this. Oh. This is the logic right here. Oh, see, that's what it is. It actually depends on which direction I am. Wait, didn't I already do that logic though? Hold on. Where's that switch case I already built? I'm off work early tonight, so I'm hopping off here. May stream tonight depending on my fiance is awake. Right? You got a little time, jump on the stream. Cool, man. Well, if you're on later, I'm dropping off in 50-ish minutes, so if you're on, I'll raid you. I'll raid you with all my bots. So, thanks for jumping on, man. Have a good night. Enjoy your work-free night. Alright, where is that switch case I built? So move spell is up here. Shoot projectile. Up. Yes, okay. I have my chat set to 10-minute follower, by the way. Refuses those bots really well. Oh. Let's try that. Pro tip. Thank you, sir. I'm gonna give that a shot, actually. Because while I do like seeing people, I do not like that they're not real. 10-minute followers. Now they follow me, but never get the chance to spam me. Hell yeah. I'll take the bot followers. You kidding me? Stream settings. Oh wait, is there chat settings? It's part of the chat settings. Raid, permission, clip settings, lots of, yeah, okay. Channel. Profile, social, no. Oh, moderation. Channel privileges. Oh. Long live chaos. What the fuck? It's under chat. Online casino, sports betting. Hello, hell doesn't exist. Don't be afraid of death. Oh man, they heard that I was gonna turn on the thing and they started spamming me. The money will come to you. Are you seeing this super first time spam chat? Love it. Now I got 2 chatters. Oh, here we go. Follower verifications? Oh no, chat rules. No. Oh, followers only mode? When enable, viewers must follow you for a specific amount of time before they are allowed to post messages. Oh. There we go. 10-minute followers only mode for this room. Cool. But does that mean they can't, like, look at me? Yeah, I think I got it. But it won't get rid of the users. It'll just not allow them to chat, right? Okay, yeah. Until they follow you for 10 minutes, got it. Well, I did it right at the right time. Because whoever the hell Long Live Chaos Twitch scam was, he got his last message in. That was impressive timing. Yeah, it's actually, that was good. He's never sent a message before. And that's how he goes out. That's super bot right there. See you, man. Thanks again for jumping on. And I hope you enjoyed the lighting. Okay, we need to fix this. Where's shoot projectile being used? Is this it? Okay. See, this is what I'm talking about. I'm passing the position I want to shoot the projectile. And then I'm passing it into here. Spell. I'm passing it into here. And then this is for movement. This is for collision to remove the item. Okay. Okay, yeah, so I'm passing the top and left. What happens with it? Top and left. So yeah, I should just be passing top and left into here. So map. Also, let's do map character left and map character top. Map character top. Character top. And the projectile. So I don't even need any of this bullshit. This has nothing to do with what I need. Oops. Yeah, so none of this matters. Projectile position doesn't matter. We're passing. I don't even know why I'm passing that. I should just pass projectile to this. Oh, and then this is the actual movement. Well, I just do this. We go left, and then we go top. Okay. And this should just move the person. Right. With a transition that's set properly. Okay. Alright, I think this is gonna work. First try. Oh, what happened? I restarted my computer. That's what happened. NVMe. The nice old version of 11.14 node. That's good. That's good. Wait, what? Hello, YouTube. If you are lurking, feel free to say hi in the chat. I am watching it. Right now, we're just working on the fire spell. It's a projectile spell. I think I got it to work, actually. you'll see I've got 3 things going on in the bottom left here. I've got the punch as the red box, the black square is a shield spell, and then this orange shirt is the fire spell. And it's new day, we're working on new functionalities, and we've been trying to finish up magic development. And this is my WordPress based RPG, I'm building a game engine in and trying to develop. So let's see if it worked. Technically when I click this, I should be able to shoot. And let's double check what's going on under the hood. Oh, that's right. That's my character. Here's the weapon. Okay, it looks like it's still changing. Oh, I'm not passing spell equals true. My bad. Move spell. Where is it? Shoot projectile. Womp. So shoot projectile, we need to add shooter false. And then shoot projectile for me. For my spell. Trying to be dry here and reuse as much as possible, functionality wise. Alright. Use true. All the music you hear in the stream is either music I've made, recorded on, or a band I was in which I have the rights to the music, so I don't get DMCA'd by playing any of it. So I am free. Oh, that's right. Now I know why it didn't work. It's because I changed my Node version and never compiled JavaScript. The entire game is built out of basically vanilla JavaScript and Sass styling, so I'm just using WordPress as an asset manager for the images and data management. Okay, so now if I click, let's take a look in the console. Here's the weapon. So when I click the spell, now we have Fire Brazier, and technically the top and left position should just shoot straight up when I click the space bar. That's really weird. Whatever's happening right now is really weird. What is happening? Okay, so the transition got set properly. But it doesn't look like the top position. Oh. And what about the removal and shit? It looks like it's not doing that. Let's click it one more time. It looks like it's not doing what I want it to do. Oh look, the map is just staying in one place now. Oh, it's come back. Alright. Welp. Let's see what's going on here. That was very unexpected behavior. Okay, so yeah. If it contains fire, which it does, then we're going to get the weapons position. I do not need to go plus 500. That was left over. Shit. Okay. Which, sure, this is fine. Okay, and then I get my player direction. Just the class name, get rid of map weapon, get rid of dir, and I should have the position. That is actually no longer true. Shit. I forgot. I need to remove the spell too. Or spells. Okay. I have to do a different way of checking this. I think I need to start setting the position, not a class. I need to set the position as a data point. Because I need to get it away from this map weapon. Excuse me. Map weapon, this class. So what's going to end up being actually instead is get attribute, data, position, direction. And in that case, let's look up dir. Okay, so instead of adding this, what we're gonna do is weapon L, weapon L, set attribute to top dir. In fact, I don't even need the dir. Top, done. I don't need to be messing around. That's actually a lot better. Because when you set an attribute, you don't have to remove the old one. I can just replace it. Yeah, I don't have to do any of this crap now. Should have did this in the first place. So attribute. You know, I should probably just do this all at one time. Hold, please. So first off, let's go ahead and delete all these. Let's delete all these. And these. Fantastic. Let's delete these. Perfecto. Delete these. Yeah, right. And delete these. Cool. Now let's use our handy dandy option click. And we'll be able to... No. Why are you clicked? Okay, option click, option click. Option click. Option click. Okay, so now everything I do here does it for all of them. So we're going to do set attribute. Great. And this part's not going to work for all of them. So let's just do this one by one. Yeah, let's just do that. Doop, doop. Oh yeah, those are fine. Doop, doop. That's fine. Whoops. Alright. Let's do that. Skip that. Skip that. Skip that. And skip that. Cool. Alright, so now we know that the attribute should be good. And I will use the data attribute to get the position. Now the switch case should be correct. Data direction, yes. Did I call it data direction up here? Shoot, I don't remember. No, I never said what the attribute name was. Awesome. Oh, good thing I thought about that. Okay, let's try this again. Set attribute. Okay. Data direction. Wait, what the fuck? Oh man, my option click turned off. You stupid dick. Alright, let's try this again. Data. Direction. Cool. Well, I had a little burst of viewers in the YouTube chat. That was the first time I've ever seen more than 2 people, which I'm one of them, so. Good. That means that either the new subscribers were interested, or people were just lurking, or it was bots. Can never forget about bots, so. Alright. Yeah, if anybody in chat, feel free. Ask away. Been a WordPress programmer for 14 years, been a web developer for 20, was a professional piercer for 10 years. Did a lot of singing and screaming in metal bands for years, and I've written a sci-fi fantasy novel that's on Amazon. So I got a lot of stuff going on. A lot of things I can talk about, and if you're interested in any of those worlds, I am an open book. Feel free to ask anything about the good, the bad, and the ugly of programming, or being an author, self-published author, or, you know, being in bands, being a piercer in Hollywood for a couple years. That's a fun experience to talk about. Alright, but first things first, let's see if what I did solved what I wanted to do. Okay, well, I gotta remove that default, hold on. Default, oh yeah, math weapon, here it is. Yeah, okay, you're back just to math weapon. Good on ya. Oh, let's do data direction equals down. That is the default. Okay. Okay. Great. Now we gotta change the styling. I just remembered. Okay, so now it's no longer this. It's data direction equals left. That is the new CSS selector. Not a big deal. It'll work fine. This will be right. And protection. Let's change this to down. Cool. There's always another way. The fun thing about programming, there's a million ways to do the same thing. And oftentimes Uh-oh. Oh, that was weird. Completely lost my mic. I like barely touched the mic stand too. That was weird. Hope nothing's shorted. Alright, anyways. A million ways to do the same thing in programming. Also streaming. You can do a million different things in stream. Yeah, there's a lot of times I build a complete function, UI feature, component, section, and then you find out that you need to do something that approach didn't work. So you completely rebuild it using another method. And oftentimes, just like anything, like when you edit a book or you working on music and you're, editing and re-recording, it'll get better, right? So, it's easy to get discouraged when you're rebuilding something you spend so much time on, but it's progression, and it's just like any other skill. It's like any other creation or art, the more you work on it, the more you're gonna see that it's better than it was before. And that's pretty cool. Okay, so direction top looks good. Let's see, now when I go down, it goes down, left, right. Fantastic. Okay. I don't get what the lag's about. Let's see here. Oh, okay. I think it's just because that wasn't on the screen. Alright, so we are using fire. Let's click and see what happens. Okay, it's still getting padding for some reason. But the top position is not doing what I want it to. I want it to shoot up. Oh, it's going negative. Why is it going negative 10,000? I'm pointing up. It should be going positive 10,000. It also shouldn't have like timeout. Oh, I need to do this. Because I don't want this. Right. Not protection. Fire. Actually, I don't think you can do that. Can you do that? I think you can do that. Okay, yeah, we don't want this styling to affect. We also don't care about it having an engage functionality. Yeah, so let's... And last things last, let's find out why it's going negative. Yeah, so here we go. If down. Oh, stupid. No, that's right. It should be negative. So, because that makes it go up. Okay, no, I'm tripping. Yeah, it should be. So this is actually correct. The only problem is... The only problem is... Oh, it worked. It's not actually going anywhere. Wait, is this not position absolute? Like, what the fuck? No, it is. So if I put negative 3,000, where is it? Why is it still here? Because The inline style is not changing. Why? Why would you not change? It's right here. Do I have to hard code it? Wait, what the fuck? I mean, I know you can go negative, so what's going on? I'm super confused. What's going on here? Okay. Okay. We're pointing up. Top. We're at 3,000. It should go negative. It did. But it's only going negative for a little bit. So let's find out what happens when the shoot projectile happens. Because honestly, I don't care about this engage. That doesn't matter to me. I do care about this. And this. So shoot projectile. We're using a new function, move spell. So my problem is this set interval is supposed to check the position to make sure it doesn't run into anything. If it does, it dies. So projectile gets looked at. Oh, wait a second. Enemy. Okay, so this is actually looking for projectile, so I need to pass the class I'm looking at here. So we're gonna need to change this to document. No. No, we can still do enemy. It's just I'm not using it. Okay, so yeah, we can use enemy. Enemy will be document. And then this needs to be a provided class, which we'll call projectile class. And that's basically what we're looking for, which in our case is going to be the map weapon again. Projectile class. Let's see if that works. Oops. Okay. So here, this is false, not a spell. And the projectile class is projectile. And in this case, this is true. And the projectile class is going to be map weapon. An enemy is not character, it's actually going to be document. Because enemy is document, and it'll be document query selector, that. Yeah. Okay. Well, now that we got a new one, let's redo this again. Alright. Oh. Okay. I think we're good. First try. Let's try it out. We got map weapon. It's top direction. And we're using fire brazier. So when I click, the top position should go negative 700. I mean 7,000. Okay. That's progress. It got removed. That being said, did a new one get added? Doesn't look like it. Okay. That's probably another piece of logic I'm gonna have to redo. Does look like... Oh wait, hold on. We started... Hurt the enemy is a function. Hurt the enemy? Why am I using hurt the enemy? I don't think I shot anybody. Let's see. How's this tied to hurt the enemy? Because hurt the enemy gets ran whatever, randomly. Oh, because weapon L's gone. Got it. Yeah, I figured something would go wrong there. Okay, so let's go back to... Let's go back here. Not here, but here. Okay, so what's happening here? We hit the spacebar. It looks like it's fire, it is. It gets the weapon left and top position, and it gets the data direction attribute, and based off of that we decide where to send it. Then we use this. We have the position, good to go. We shoot the projectile, and this is where it removes when it runs into something. Which it probably ran into something, I'm guessing. Though it shouldn't have moved that quickly, so I'm not 100%. Oh, and then we also have this. We have this. So is new projectile not getting set? It should be. So it appears that this enemy pen... Oh, enemy is document. That's not gonna work. So I'm going to have to reset enemy if it's this. So enemy equals... Enemy equals... We want it to append to the container class. Container. Query selector equals container. Cool. Okay, so if it's container, that's good. So now we're going to append the weapon inside the container, and then remove the old one. Clear this. We should be pretty good. Prod speed. Am I setting prod speed? 2000. Prod speed. Oh, 2000. Let's change this to like 7,000. I don't know. I actually think I should be setting this with the same logic, but actually, yeah, no, let's not go crazy. Why is this controlling this, actually? I don't know. That might be a mistake. Okay, let's try it now that we have the correct... Let's just see if it appends. Because if it appends inside the container, then I know it's working. Okay. Set. Let's check the container. They look good. We got our fire spell. And when I click, oops, when I click out here, well, it didn't append. That sucks. Why not? Nope. Map weapon did not append. So let's see why. Why not? Project speed's 2,000 times 1,000. Oh. It's probably going to append like 10 years later. Let's actually change that to 2. That makes more sense. Like, I bet if I just sat here for like an hour, it would work. Okay, let's see again. So this goes away when I click, and it should come back, and it did. Fantastic. So that means it's back here. Only problem is I didn't see it shoot. So I don't really know what's happening. It's all happening too fast. Setting the top and left. But transition isn't working. Let's see why. So if I go to move spell, regulates transition speed. Diff. Dist. Right. That's fine. Should work. Should work. Hey Scott, it's Michael. Hey, just set up my new PC. Hell yeah, man. What up, Michael? Been a while, I'm doing good. Just trying to troubleshoot why the transition for the new fire spell is not working. I think what I want to do is hard code the transition for a second, just so I can see that it's working. I watched your last episode. I lulled on the, if I don't know, you didn't know. Right. 100%. Yeah, I get a little bit aggressive with the bots that I'm talking to. Because nobody else watches. Did you jump on YouTube live by chance? I'm just wondering. Because I randomly had like 5 people in there, and I usually only have 1. So I wonder if like some people were randomly checking it out, or if it was somebody I know. No, I'm just here. Are you on YouTube? I'll follow there. Yeah. Subscribe to the channel. I'll just throw it in the chat real quick. Yeah, in case you didn't get there already. That's it. Yeah, no problem. It's good. I mean, if you're already in YouTube and you like it better, you can always go. Like, that's how I watch some of the streamers I like. I use YouTube. The only time I jump into Twitch to watch people is if I want to interact, like get in the chat and stuff. I mean, you can do that on YouTube too, but they're usually like catering to Twitch people, so you can see more interactions and the shit they're talking about. Okay, let's reset this, 'cause that's annoying me right now. Oh, thank you. Yeah, that's true. I usually go on Twitch to watch gamers. Yeah, I mean, that's what it's made for. So many just chatting things now, though. A lot of the boob Twitchers, too, who just kind of, like, got their boobs out to get views. And, like, cool. There's websites for that, though. I don't know. You do you. Some of them play actual games and stuff, but... yeah, jump in my Discord, too, man. I have some places for, to ask questions about programming and music, writing, whatever. Piercings. The most important topic. Ask me about piercings. I'm getting invalid Discord invite link. I tried the website and the link here. Shit. That's so stupid. You know how Discord you can generate a link and it says, keep it forever? I've done that twice now and it expires. So, what's your deal, Discord? Let's see. Let's pull up the old Discord. Discord. Yeah, it is lame because you're the second person. I'm like, hey, join the damn community, and they're like, it's dead, dude. I'm like, cool. And then I just gotta go back to the damn website, log into the damn website, and then re-edit the damn website. Generate a new stupid link. And the Discord app always dies every time I open it up. It's like it's always downloading something. Yeah, you suck. Just wondering how I would... yeah, I don't know if there's like a workaround for keeping a Discord link. I'll have to look it up. Yeah. This is bull. I hate this Discord stuff. To be honest, Discord annoys the crap out of me. Like even the servers I follow. Like it's just getting stupid announcements and stuff. I'm sure it's helpful if you like actually want to talk with people and stuff, but not usually the case for me. Alright, let's continue this in the meantime. So I wanted to hard code the transition to... oh wow. Thanks, Discord. I'm kind of doing something. But you download your updates in front of me, sure. How's the lighting look, by the way? Like, the past 3 streams I've been messing around with my lighting system, and I don't know. Yesterday it was way too warm. Like it looked like red. And this is more daylight. It's great actually? Okay, good. Just trying to avoid weird shadows on my face more than anything. I need to get the green screen going. I got a backlight right now just to kind of like, so it doesn't look really weird, but yeah, here is the thing. Let us generate invite. See, look, set this link to never expire. Such a lie. Copy. No limit. Never. Generate. Gimme. No limit. That's what they fucking say. And that's what they said last time. But they're liars. Discord's a liar. Alright, boop boop. Doo to boop. Boop. Let's put the same link everywhere. For all the people that like to click around. Doop. Doop. And doop. Cool. Looks like we're good. And then just for you, in the chat, join. Yeah, I got that. I met the sweet Egyptian WordPress developer. He jumps on sometimes too. Mahmoud. Alright, friend request. I accept. Vidraz. What's the name? What's Vidraz? Just a gamer tag you always use? Oh. Oh. You're not moving with me anymore. My professional gamer alias, got it. When I played WoW at tournaments. Nice. Competed alone in Counter-Strike 2. Hell yeah. I like it. Oh look. It moved. And then it deletes. Okay. That's great. That's great. But the timeout is too short. It's deleting it too short. Like, I need to give it more time. I need more time. Wait. But I didn't. No, I'm confused. Because I didn't even have it set properly. Why is it working? Let's try this again, maybe? I'm confused. Move spell, yeah. Man, Counter-Strike. Oh, hello. Dude, something's up. There's a short somewhere, because every time I touch the mic stand, it just goes out and I have to reset it. Anyways, I was saying, I used to go to this place called 201 PC, and we'd all play Counter-Strike together, or Quake, or Half-Life, or Diablo, you know. Just like a big old smelly room full of computers, and you had to pay a certain amount every hour or whatever. That's not a thing anymore. I mean, that I know of. Yeah. You ever play in Unreal Tournament? That's awesome, dude. No. I'm not really good at online, like multiplayer online games and stuff, I get too much anxiety. Like I'm about to shoot someone and I just like, oh, I can't wait to shoot him, and then I get shot, you know? I was always the one dying. You know, you had the team, and you had the dudes always killing people, and then you had the dudes always dying. And I feel like that's a skill. You know, distracting the enemy with your face, and then getting shot. Did that a lot. Oh, gotcha, yeah. I was like the guy owning my real life friends. Yeah. I played with those guys. I appreciated it. My wife's like that. She's got the shooter mentality. The quick aim, the quick shoot, you know. And that's not me. I hesitate. I have to aim too long. And then when I go to click, I like fucking shift, you know. I'm like anticipating the shot too much. I would be a terrible sniper. Okay, let's try this again. So, weapons moving with me, and then when I click, shoot. Nothing happens, I click it again. Okay, so yeah, the transition really is not working. I think I'm also having a problem with the fact... No, maybe it's just a transition. So why is this not correct? That's what I want to know. I never would have guessed that, honestly. I believe you though. Yeah, no. No. You know, I was a Nintendo guy. I always had like a Nintendo, Super Nintendo, GameCube, N64. You know, I had all the Nintendo systems, and I played a lot of games, but I really liked, you know, the big RPGs, and really like the wrestling games. I had No Mercy and WrestleMania on N64. Those were a lot of fun. Gauntlet Legends was one of my favorite games. Very, very cool couch co-op, like multiplayer RPG. Very Dungeons and Dragons, going on quests and collecting shit, and upgrading. Yeah, the wrestling games were fun. Oh yeah, on PlayStation 3. Yeah, the kids were always, you know, a PlayStation person or a Nintendo person when I was growing up. So I didn't have to have the PS2 and any of those because somebody else had it. Okay. Why you no work? Why you no work? Let's see. Let's see what I'm getting here. That'll actually give me a good indication of why this transition's not working. Hey, it looks like I got a new follower. It's kind of hard to tell. My video screen's so small. I think it says 11 out of 20. Nice. I do not know when that happened though. I gotta head out because I need to get up early for work. I'm doing Shopify stuff. Hell yeah. Hanging out during your streams whenever you live. Awesome, man. Hey, really appreciate you jumping on. Anytime you want to jump in, even if you're, working and you just have a programming question and I'm on, feel free to jump in and ask. I authored a few Shopify plugins for companies, so I know how annoying their API is. Yeah. Thanks, man. I'll figure it out. Yeah, it sounds good. Alright. Thanks, Michael. Alright, let's see what the fuck the console comes out with. Fire. Shoot. Okay. 12,493. That seems like too much. You know what? It's 1:04 my time. I am actually going to head out myself. So, I think we're in a good spot. I kind of realized I didn't really finish anything today. Figured out a lot of things. We're definitely in a better position than we were before today. But yeah, I didn't get the fire spell working, so womp. But tomorrow's bug day. Maybe I'll work on this. Eventually, new features turn into bugs, so I can just keep working on them until they're done. And I end up finding bugs on the way anyway, so yeah, I think this is a good stopping point. Let me raid somebody, maybe? I don't know. Let's see what's going on here. Tweech.
Weapon skill barrage shot.
We have a...
Okay.
What is it called? A VTuber?
Oh, I love little boodling.
Oh, okay. That's enough of that. I'm live. Yes, I am. Let's manage the stream. It's muted. Perfect. Is there anybody? Man, I'm the worst today. Okay, well, the pug dude's not on. Yeah, I'll just raid the ferret channel or something. I always like doing that. Let's see, Twitch.tv/ferret software. I don't know why that says mobile, that's weird. Alright. Oh yeah, the wigglers are out, man. I'm into it. I'm into it. Let's go ahead and see if we can raid them at the same time. Boop, boop. Start the raid. I got one viewer ready to raid. It's probably just me. Alright, raided with a party of one. Oh my god, they're so cute. I'm just mesmerized by the ferrets. It's playtime, baby. Okay. I will go now. Thanks to everybody who has watched this in the future or otherwise. Make sure to follow me on Twitch, follow me on YouTube, subscribe to YouTube. Watch my shorts, like my shorts. Maybe I'll make full-length videos at some point. But right now I'm just making shorts to get people to see the channel, so they'll watch the streams. So, or at least watch the past broadcasts. So yeah, I will say